Thank you, Janice. Time to talk about your Money and Money Tuesday. And Stewart Welch from the Welch Group joins us, and we're discussing a couple of things. First off, the Federal Reserve, by most people's, they're saying that they're not expected to raise interest rates. I guess the economy is not doing as well as expected. So, what is the potential impact, if any?
You know, Mike, I don't know. It's been this big, long guessing game. And, I think the economy is actually doing okay, which it's been doing for a number of years now. It's kind of inching along. It's actually been pretty decent for the stock market, except for this year. But, my guess is that it's probably time to raise rates, and the economy can probably handle it. But it looks like the odds are that they won't do it in this move, and maybe it'll be early next year.
All right. So the other issue we're talking about, I know we're getting a lot of questions, and you are, particularly as we get close to the end of the year, about property taxes. And particularly if you reach a certain age, people are wondering, well, am I exempt at some age from having to pay property taxes? Talk about it.
Well, they are. A lot of people don't know this. I didn't
know it. Yeah.
Well, I got an email from a reader who said, my mom's 87, and I hear there's this property tax. And if you're age 65, you are exempt from the state of Alabama portion of the property tax. And his question was, well, can she go back and collect all those years that she did? And the answer is no. And you do have to apply for it. And a lot of questions I've been getting are, I don't think that's right. But the answer is this is the state portion, not the county portion.
Which is a smaller portion, obviously.
Typically it's a smaller portion, and in order to qualify for the county portion, your income it has to be under $12,000.
Okay.
So, and you have to apply for it. So you have to proactively do something, and then
they're not just going to give you the exemption.
Yeah, you'd like to think they would give you the exemption, but they're not going to do that. You have to apply for it. You apply for it through your county. So here it would be Jefferson County. You'd go to the Jefferson County and get the application, and then every year you must do something to re-qualify.
Okay, let me ask you this: What if the lien is a joint lien, you and your spouse, right? You're at a certain age where you get the exemption, you can apply for it, but your spouse isn't. How would that work?
That's a great question. So let's say you're 65, your spouse is 60. Do you qualify? And you're both on the deed. Do you qualify? The answer is yes. Only one of you has to be 65 to qualify.
Okay. I said lien.
I
meant deed, but yeah. Yeah,
so you can.
So there's a way.
Yeah, you can save, $50, $100, $150. It may not be a huge amount, but when I turn 65, I'm going to go get it.
Every little bit helps.
Every little bit helps.
All right, Stewart Welch, thank you so much. Appreciate it.